Let's talk about cars. They're more than just machines, they're woven into the fabric of our daily lives. For many, cars represent freedom, adventure, and the thrill of the open road, but they also shape our cities, our environment, and even our culture. For over a century, it's been all about petrol engines, big, noisy, and full of character. These engines roared to life, filling the air with the scent of gasoline and the sound of horsepower. They powered everything from family road trips to legendary races, and became icons of engineering and design. But now, something huge is happening. The electric car has arrived, and it's changing everything. It's not just a new type of vehicle, it's a shift in how we think about transportation itself. Electric cars are quieter, cleaner, and packed with cutting-edge technology. This isn't just a tweak, it's a total reinvention. We're witnessing the biggest transformation in motoring since the very first automobiles hit the road. Out goes the complex, oily engine, an intricate web of pistons, gears, and exhaust pipes that define the car for generations. In comes a quiet electric motor and a big battery. Suddenly the heart of the car is silent, efficient, and almost maintenance-free. No more oil changes, no more tailpipe emissions. It feels like science fiction, but it's happening right now. Streets are filling with cars that glide by almost silently, turning heads and sparking curiosity wherever they go.